Welcome to Capital Luxury Channel, where life-changing lessons about the rules of money are about to be unveiled. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening videos like this. To achieve financial freedom, one must possess financial literacy. Have you ever noticed the awkward silence that ensues when people discuss their income or spending levels? If you're watching this video, chances are you're not one of them. Rule number 1. Expand your knowledge to increase your wealth. As Francis Bacon once said, money is a good servant but a bad master. Without the education to support it, wealth can have a negative impact on our lives. It's unfortunate that financial literacy is not taught in schools. Despite money being a universal language, we learn various skills in school to secure our future. But the art of making money work for us is not a part of the curriculum. It's not uncommon for incredibly talented individuals to lack financial success. Being exceptional at something doesn't automatically make you a master of finances. This realization is a bitter pill to swallow, especially for those aspiring to join the ranks of the elite 1%. Fortunately, we live in an era of abundant information, with the billionaires sharing their stories online and CEOs teaching us their ways. Remember, if your life doesn't turn out as expected, the responsibility lies with you. Rule number 2. Embrace constant change. Just like New York, life is in constant motion. It never stands still. You're either getting richer or becoming poorer. Adaptation is crucial. Just like the bustling city of New York, those who fail to keep up get left behind. The consequences of your actions are like seeds planted for your future self to reap. Your salary corresponds to the value of your skills and education. If you want more money, you need to invest in your knowledge. Believing that money will work for you effortlessly is a rule breaker. You must exchange something of value to generate wealth. While there are various ways to amass great fortunes, not all of them are lawful or righteous. This might seem unfair and demotivating, but rest assured, the karmic laws of the universe ensure that actions have consequences. No one is exempt. Rule number 3. Think rich to grow rich. We hold the power to shape our future. It's essential to adopt an abundant mindset to manifest the reality we desire. This difference in thinking is evident when comparing the rich and the poor. The wealthy focus on improvement, acknowledging limitations, but refusing to be stopped by them. In contrast, the poor dwell on their shortcomings, fearing the unknown. The rich see potential and investment opportunities, attracting what they envision. According to Murphy's Law, the more you fear failure, the more likely it is to happen. When consumed by thoughts of failure, we waste mental energy on preparing for the worst, instead of finding solutions to avoid it. Your mindset determines whether you attract what you deserve or repel opportunities. Rule number 4. Understand the true nature of money. Accountants and consultants might advise you to hold your money tightly, but in reality, it's just ink on paper. Money can buy us the things we desire, but at the end of the day, it's simply currency. Accumulating wealth doesn't make you financially educated. The key lies in understanding that money is a tool and taking conscious actions that give it value beyond its physical form. Remember, this video is not the finish line on your journey to wealth. Rather, it's a starting point to grasp the rules of the real-life monopoly. Rule number 5. Be comfortable with money. Rich people are at ease with money. They understand its purpose as a means of exchange, a universal language. However, they don't enslave themselves to their possessions. Financial literacy means being comfortable in any money situation that arises. Notice how the rich rarely discuss their financial problems because they have mastered the art of handling them. On the rare occasions when they encounter difficulties, they step back, analyze the bigger picture, and make informed decisions based on past experiences. In contrast, those struggling with money often spend time and energy discussing their hardships instead of seeking solutions. Being aware of what you lack and what you possess can propel you miles ahead. Consider this stage of your life as a starting point, a journey of continuous learning. Don't stop and don't set deadlines. You're well on your way. Rule number 6. Invest in yourself. One of the most important rules of money is investing in yourself. Education and personal development are invaluable assets on the path to financial success. Acquiring new skills, expanding your knowledge, and honing your expertise can open doors to lucrative opportunities. Whether it's pursuing higher education, attending seminars and workshops, or enrolling in specialized courses, the investments you make in yourself will pay dividends in the long run. Rule number 7. Diversify your income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky. To safeguard your financial stability, it's crucial to diversify your income streams. Explore different avenues, such as starting a side business, investing in stocks or real estate, or even generating passive income through digital assets. By diversifying your income, you create a safety net that can protect you from unexpected financial setbacks and provide greater financial security. Rule number 8. Budgeting and saving. Budgeting and saving are fundamental pillars of financial success. Creating a budget helps you allocate your income wisely, prioritize expenses, and avoid unnecessary debt. By tracking your expenses and identifying areas where you can cut back, you can save more and build a solid financial foundation. Saving not only allows you to accumulate wealth, but also provides a financial cushion for emergencies and future investments. Rule number 9. Manage debt wisely. Debt can be a double-edged sword. While it can provide opportunities for growth and leverage, it can also become a burden if not managed wisely. Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt is essential. Good debt, such as investing in education or real estate, can generate long-term returns. On the other hand, bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, can hinder your financial progress. It's crucial to prioritize debt repayment, minimize interest payments, and develop a strategic plan to manage and eliminate debt effectively. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this video. What's your biggest takeaway? Share it in the comments below. We value your input, so let us know what topics you'd like us to explore in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Capital Luxury channel for more valuable content. Stay tuned for our next episode.